In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the OBV Oscillator Indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end, you'll have this indicator added to your chart and ready to use in your own trading analysis. First, make sure you're logged in and have a chart open in TradingView Pro. It can be any market or time frame. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is open, look towards the top of your screen for the button labeled Indicators. It's usually near the top toolbar above the price chart. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up the Indicators and Strategies panel, which is where you can search for and add any indicator you want. Inside this panel, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is the fastest way to find specific tools without scrolling through long lists. Click inside that search bar so your cursor is active and you're ready to type. Now type in OBV Oscillator. Be sure you spell it correctly so TradingView can find the right indicator. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. You should see OBV Oscillator appear in the list of indicators. When you spot it, simply click on the indicator name. The moment you click it, TradingView will add the OBV Oscillator to your chart, usually in a separate panel below the main price chart. At this point, the indicator is on your screen, but it's a good idea to check the settings so it matches your style and strategy. To access the settings, move your mouse over the OBV Oscillator area. You'll see a small gear icon appear, usually near the indicator's name on the left or on the top of the indicator panel. Click that gear icon to open the settings window. Inside the settings, you can adjust inputs like lengths or smoothing values, depending on how the script is built, and you can customize the visual style, such as line colors and thickness, so it's easier to read against your chart background. If you're new to this indicator, you can start with the default settings and just tweak the visuals to your preference. Later, as you get more comfortable, you can experiment with different settings and see how they affect the signals. Once you're happy with the way it looks, click OK or close the settings window. Your OBV oscillator is now fully added and customized in TradingView Pro, ready to help you analyze volume momentum alongside price action.